Hi, my name is Thomas Kim. I have been thinking about this video for, for many years. And in this session, we will be talking about internationalization or localization for our software product. At the end of session, we will create resource-only dynamic link library. Before explain how to make resource-only dynamic link library, I want to talk about internationalization or localization for our software product. When we develop our software, we have to keep in mind these things. First, we have to develop our software on Unicode base, UCS2 or UTF-16. And second, we have to compile our resources in a separate file for each language. Do not intermix English text with Korean or Korean text with Chinese text. Do not intermix or do not put all language resource file in a single file. Instead, try to maintain each language in a separate files. Also, do not hardcode your resource strings in your code. If you hardcode your resource strings, it becomes very difficult to internationalize or localize your software for targeting worldwide market. Also, pay special attention to foreign languages at design time. Do not assume the word orders or grammar of foreign languages are the same as in English. This point is actually very important. Also, when translating resource strings, do not just hand out resource strings only. Instead, provide the translators with a full resource database along with dialog boxes. Let the translator understand how the resource strings would be rendered at runtime. And if resource strings are to be composed at runtime, do not use format specifiers such as %s, %d, etc. whose orders these format specifiers cannot be changed. Whose orders cannot be changed. Instead, use positional format specifiers such as %1, %2, etc. Also, the last point, consistency does not work in foreign language. Do not even think that a single English word should be translated into a single foreign word. For example, a very simple English word okay can mean a lot of different things depending on context. So please do not assume that a single English word should be translated the same manner in foreign languages. So at this point, I will talk more about this point 7 in future videos. And I found lots of engineers or software developers has wrong idea about consistency. Most developers, even software translators longer than 20 years, they believe consistency is very important. Yes, consistency is important, but it can sometimes kill the fluency of foreign languages. Okay, so please understand, do not think a single English word should be translated into a single foreign language word. This point is actually very important. I will talk more about this in future videos. Okay, let's get started. I will show you one software application I developed by myself, and this application supports currently 3 or 4 foreign languages. We can translate all resource strings to other languages as well. Currently it is in English user interface. If I change it to Korean, then all user interface strings will be restarted in Korean language resources. Now all user interface string is in Korean resource. To develop such language, we will learn how to develop such programming language supporting multiple foreign languages in this session. From my previous video, Scripting Language Template Solution 15, download source code. From download folder, please unzip it. Then rename the folder to 16. Then copy, paste it to your working folder. Open it in Visual Studio 2015. When solution is loaded, then press Ctrl F5 to build and run. The solution should build successfully like this. Now close it. Then in Solution Explorer, we are adding one DLL files, resource only DLL. Win32, select lib resource. Finish. No, DLL, select DLL, then finish. Close this file, and we will add one file here, header file. Right click, add new, then header file, lib resource.h, header file, add. Then here include resource.h, like this. Save it. It's not yet added. We haven't added the resource yet, so no problem. Click resource view here, right click, add resource. We'll be adding string table, new. Then here I will add one string, IDS division by 0, like this. Then the caption will be division by 0. We'll name like this. Then save it. We will add one more string, ID OK, IDS OK. Here confirm choice. It will be OK. Or another string, we are creating another string, OK, state, OK, OK. I will change the resource name string, this choice, like this. Save all. Say English word OK can mean a lot of different things, depend on context. Okay, save all. I will explain why we are doing this. Okay, English word OK is the same in English, but say I will open a dialog box here. So Visual Studio here, this button OK means my choice is confirm my choice. It means, or close this dialog box. But I open a property here. I open the optimize. This OK means current state is OK, good. So this OK button, current state OK in English, and this OK, these are total different meaning. Okay, this means close this dialog box, or I confirm my choice in this dialog box. But this OK means current state of my solid state drive. The state of my solid state drive is OK, good. It means good, and it means confirm my choice. These are totally different. So when we develop internationalized software, if we are going to develop internationalized software, depending on context, we have to give different translation choice. Okay, these points are actually very important. Now I will close it. Then we added resource strings here. Now we have to make some changes to our settings. Right click, properties, linker. Make sure lib resource is this project is selected, and all configuration, all platform here, no entry. No entry means this resource this project will not have any code to run. This means this project is for resource only project. Okay, now save. Now click this code editor once again. C general. Here we are going to add some settings. Solution dir lib resource, like this. Then put it down. Okay, and apply. Don't forget clicking apply, and select this another solution, console app here, and we add the same string, solution dir lib resource. We will copy this text for later use, put it down. Okay, apply, and pass here. Once again we add paste, enter, then scroll it down. Okay, apply. Okay, I will change here one more here, code editor. Click this, then select this option, inherit from parents of project defaults. Okay. Okay, save. Now rebuild. Control F5. Okay, our solution should build successfully. Now here in parser, view class view, select class view. Here global function DLL main. Here we are creating a global instance H module GH resource null ptr, like this. Then here we add break once, and once again here, and here, save all. Now we are loading this resource GH resource LoadLibrary. We are putting library name lib resource DLL. We are dynamically loading resource library. Now when process close, then we can close. If GH, we made a typo, resource, so you will see. Then FreeLibrary GH resource, like this. Then GH resource, we can put it null ptr. Now save all. I forgot one thing to add here. Header file. Here we'll add include lib resource h. Save it. Then in source file, right click, compile. We need to compile once, then save, close all. Then open this file, lib parser. At the end of this file, we are going to add one function, two functions. std WString get resource string. We will name function like that, like this. Unsigned RCID. RCID means resource ID. Size t buffer size. If gh resource, we need to add a resource, gh resource here. We need to declare extern h module gh resource. Okay, we declared. Then again here gh resource. If it is null, then we cannot further proceed. Return like this. Then std WString rc text. Resource text, it means buffer size L. We initialize with null character like this. Then int count. Now we are loading string, load string like this. The first is gh resource module handle, then resource id rcid, then buffer rc text 0 like this. Then max buffer size rc text size, it should be int. Like this. Return count. If count is not 0, then we are returning rc text. Else we are returning null string. Save. Now we copy this function header, copy, then convert here. We'll put it end like this, and default value will be 256. Now we are adding one more function, ext lib parser std WString get formatted string like this. Unsigned rcid resource id. First we have to check gh resource. If it is null, then we cannot further proceed. So return simple empty string, constant size t, buffer size 256. You can pass it as parameter, but I will do this in this session. std WString rcfmt resource format get resource string. We are acquiring resource strings rcid, then buffer size. This is optional, but we will pass it when we can change it later if we want. If rcfmt, it means we failed to load the resource string, resource ID, so we can't do further proceed. We return simply std WString rc text buffer size Then we declare a empty string with a buffer size. Then va list args null. Then va start args rcid. It should be the first parameter, this one, rcid. Here int count format string format message. About this function format message, please leave it to MSDN here. I will put a link here for your reference. Format message from string. I will use this function. Is it resource ID, resource pointer? So it should be rc fmt 0 pointer. Then message ID is not used, and language ID not used. Then buffer rc text like this. Then size rc text size. It should be D word. Then va list argument pointer, so args. Okay, now we have to close argument end args like this. Now we are returning count. If count is not 0, then rc text. Otherwise, we are returning null string. Okay, now save it. You can copy this text and put it here like this. And if we want to more control over this, for example, if we want to control about buffer size, then we can create another function. I will copy this text once again. Paste it. We will put size t. No, I will put the size in advance here. Buffer size like this. I will change it like this. Then we don't need it. And copy this. Paste. I have changed it like this. When we want to specify buffer length explicitly, then we can do this. Now let's build. Ctrl F7. Now we are going to use these functions. They are declared here. Now rebuild this lib source. Rebuild the whole solution. Ctrl F5. Okay, close it. Here, double click it. Now scroll down. Find this once again. Here we are going to handle this gracefully like this. If $3, it means if $3 is not 0, then division is possible. Else we put $2 just $1. It's actually error state. Then we can say ppm push back error message. Then we can push back error message here. We will fix this function here. Push back error message, double click it, copy this, paste, then save it. We will change it to resource ID, unsigned, RCID, save it, double click this file class once again, then here copy, it should be unsigned RCID, save it, and comes back here. We are loading get resource string RCID. Now Control F7, SIGNED. Sorry. Also here, it's done. Control F7 once again. Okay, it failed. We fixed the one code here. Now we need to fix this, like IDS EM error message. This is the string we added here. It should be IDS division by 0. I will change it like this. I will double click it. Then EM is error message division by 0. I change the resource string like this. Save and build. Okay. Then here IDS EM division by 0. Then we will pass its location. No. 3. Now save it. Control F7 to compile. Okay. Now we will copy this once this whole text. Copy. Next. Not here. Current document. Here we have the same thing here. Paste. And here too. Paste. Okay. Save. And once again here, once again here. Paste. Once. Okay. Now Control F7. Now Control F5. IDS EM division by 0 undefined identifier. So we are going to add here. We have to add a resource file. Include lib resource.h. Save. Control F5 once again. I fix once again here. should be double, and it also should be double. It's okay. Build, Ctrl F5 once again. Now let's test. Say I will start with new file. Apple 5 divided by 0. It should give division by 0 error message. Division by 0. Okay, we'll test one more. Banana 0 point, this is double. Then cherry, apple divide banana. It should give division by 0 error message. Okay, it gives. Now here we will put another thing. Apple, banana. Then we will display cherry here. Run. See, apple is 5, banana is 0, and cherry is 5, because we assigned this value because banana is 0, and it gives us error message division by 0 at line 8, column 18. This is probably column 18 through 24. This way we can gracefully handle division by 0. Also we can internationalize it. Now I will save it. Then we will add a few more resource strings here. In class view once again, click, scroll down, push file. This function should not be null pointer. I will fix this one in resource string here. Double click, IDS FM means format should not be null ptr. You can say %1 should not be null ptr. We made a format string like this. Save it. Then we can use it like this. Here, std double string WOS get format string IDS FM should not be null ptr. Should not be null ptr, and it needs file name. Then you can say it like this. Okay, then OS. Save it. We need to build this once. Also we need to compile this once to make this squiggle goes away. Okay, Ctrl F7. It builds successfully. Now we move to next. Failed to build the full path for file. Okay, here fm fail build full path. Enter here. Failed to build the full path for file. %1. Please specify the full path. We can change like this. Save it. We build it once. Please remember fm fail build full path. Then we update it. STD OS LoadString OS get formatted string IDS fm fail full path. Then we need to pass file name like this. Save. Ctrl F7. IDS fm fail full path. Let's see. IDS fm fail build full path. We can copy resource string like this. Resource ID. Okay. Ctrl F7. It builds. Next. This is the same string. We can copy like text like this. Okay. Then also here okay. File already included. File is already included. fm file already included. File %1 is already included. Save it. Property. Copy this string. Resource ID. Then here std double string .os get formatted string. Then file name. Save it. Now let's see more. Failed to open file. Here. fm fail open file. Failed to open file. Copy this string. Then std WString WOS get formatted string file name. Save. Now exception thrown. Save all. EM unknown exception thrown. Sorry, I clicked Ctrl Z to disable it. EM unknown exception thrown. Here unknown exception thrown. Save. Then click this, copy. We can just put like this. Okay, so let's double check this function. Okay, now let's build a Control F7. Okay, now save all. Control F5. Now, okay, it works as before. Now it works without error. Now we are adding including file. No such file txt. Save, run. It has some bugs here. No such file. In LoadString we will fix like this. I put exclamation mark, then S, then exclamation mark again. I fixed like this. I will also fix S like this, then S. I fixed like this, and I will show you in text format. I will fix resource strings like this. $, I fix like this, and I changed all instance. Save, close, rebuild resource string, then Ctrl F5. Now it works. So we have to change resource format. So we have to put argument like this. %1 means first argument, and exclamation point then S means string, and once again exclamation point. Okay, we have to prepare our resource string like this. And in resource view, it would look like this. So please remember these things. Then we can change the order of these format strings in our program. When we translate, we can change the order of these positional placeholders. Thank you for watching.